If you want organic traffic for dropshipping, do not start with the trendiest niche. Start with this question: would someone search for this problem before buying? That is why products like smart locks, air filters, car accessories, pet products, and home tools work better for organic than random impulse gadgets. In ProductLair's data, the best organic-friendly categories are appliances, automotive, pet supplies, and beauty. The pattern is simple: high problem-solving, lower impulse buying. Appliances and automotive have the strongest organic profile because buyers search before they purchase. They compare specs, watch reviews, and look for installation guides. Pet supplies also works because the buyer has an emotional problem: comfort, grooming, safety, or health for their pet. But toys are the opposite. Toys rank well for impulse buying, but they are weak for organic. If you sell toys, you probably need TikTok, Instagram, or paid ads. So the rule is this: if the product needs explanation, comparison, or a how-to video, it can work for organic. If it only works because someone sees it and buys instantly, it is probably an ad-driven niche. If you want the full niche breakdown, I linked ProductLair's dropshipping niche ranking below.